Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features a perforated removable plate. If you're not replacing and wish to retain your nearby factory mount, you'll need to remove this plate to allow the section to install around it. Remove any lines or wires from the work area. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw your cut line approximately 3/4 inch from the bottom of the rail. Begin cutting away the frame. Step 4. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent the risk of further rust development. Step 5. Tack weld the part onto the frame. Followed by welding completely along all edges. Finally, coat the work area with a primer to help reduce the risk of further rust development. And you're done.